Babs on the beat.
Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shank my racer. Baba, you try for my case, and I know one never bring shame to your name, Nemo. Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shank my racer. Baba, you try for my case, and I know one never bring shame to your name, Nemo, yeah.
So as you give me that, I no go ever put you to shame, shame. Yeah. So as you give me that, I no go ever put you to shame, shame. Yeah.
I know that your hand is upon me. Make I no go play with my anointing. Cause he dey cover me and he dey protect me. Every day it's working. I know that your hand is upon me. Make I no go play with my anointing. Cause he dey cover me and he dey protect me. Every day, man, it's working. This is all I want from you, I need it. Fill me till I overflow, I need it. Fill me with your praise. Put me in a space where you guide my steps. Every day I need it. Yes, I need it. You know I need it. Can't do a thing without it, I need it. I said, you know I need it, oh. Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shunt my race, Baba, you try for my case, and I know one never bring shame to your name, yeah.
Lord, I know your name on the day. I dey try my best, but I'm failing. Lord, I need your grace, oh yeah. Lord, I'm needing more grace, oh Lord. Lord, I know your name on the day. I dey try my best, but I'm failing. Lord, I need your grace, oh yeah. I'm needing more grace, oh Lord.
Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shunt my race, Baba, you try for my case, and I know one never bring shame to your name, yeah.
Yeah, so as you give me that, I no go ever put you to shame. Yeah, so as you give me that, I no go ever put you to shame. Yeah.
Mix Wonders Magic.
Wonderful Savior, I know that these things, they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade, no. I'll keep going strong with my head up, cause I know these things will all fade away. And I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, 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 I know you're here. No mountain too high, they will not comply. No valley too low, they will not respond to me. Out of my belly flows rivers of water life-giving, and it is all because, like the morning sun, you brighten up my life, keep me going strong, keep me going strong, and I will not fear, 'cause I know that you're always here with me. Oh my Father, yeah, oh my Father, come rain, come shine, I shine, through storms, mountains, I fly, yeah. I'll fly, yeah. See, I reign, I rule, I king, 'cause you live inside me, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll keep on winning all the time, yeah. Because your spirit lives inside me, yeah. I'll keep on winning all the time, because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine, victory is mine. You know all the time, I just fly, I don't die, no. Oh yes, nothing like your presence. The way you fill this room, intoxicating, intoxicating. There's nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you, in your presence. Nothing else would do. You reign, you rule, you shine, my King, always for all time, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. My Lord, my King, my God, to you all the praise be, yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'll keep on winning all the time, because your spirit lives inside me. I'll keep on winning all the time, oh yeah, because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine, I got victory, victory, yeah, I got victory, yeah, victory, yeah, I got victory, victory, yeah, 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 ooh, yeah, yeah. Nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you, nowhere else I'd rather be, oh no, no.
You need more than just a trading platform.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins.
What's up? What's up? Good morning, chat. What's up? Good morning, John. How you doing? Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. How you guys doing? Let's say who's here. If you guys can drop some energies in the chat. Let's go. Let's go.
Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace Jade and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swing through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times.
What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody?
Especially having God in your life first.
What's up, everybody? How you guys doing?
We're doing God knows what. As long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence.
All right. We're good. We're good. Man, the 4-hour close. No bottom wake again here. 4 hour. What is this? Like, look at this closure, chat. Look at this closure. Right? Look at this closure. Man. Look at this top wick. Look at this top wick. Crazy. Pretty nice, pretty nice. All right. Let me do the top-down analysis here on the daily time frame. So, the daily time frame, as you can see here, gang. So we close bullish, right? So even though we close bullish, as you can see, the body is getting small. Body is getting small. So the probability of buying is a lot lower. It's decreasing, right? It's decreasing. Okay. And if we go to a weekly time frame here, so the problem on the weekly is no top wick closure respecting resistance. That's why this candle start to hover around here. Okay, this candle start to hover. That's really, problem there. Daily, yeah, it's starting to decrease the volume. So the 4 hour, I just observed the 4 hour close without any bottom wick, close without any bottom wick, the same top wick, the same top wick. There is a high chance that we're gonna push down here, retest this low. Okay, so we need to be aware on this zone. Like we need to see clean traffic going down. If we have, let's see on the 1 hour, so we have clean traffic going down here. We just need to wait for candle to close below the range for enable for us to take sell going down. All right, but right now we need to wait. We need to wait for the volumes and directions breakout. So we have a sort of structure here on price. In the 30, you have support form now, and we have clean range going down here. It's really clean. 150, 200 pips, yeah, 180 pips going down. So we need to look at that. All right. So that's the 15. It's the same, right? It's the same. I'm trying to take a sell below here earlier in the morning, but I see this. The volume is getting weaker on the sell right now. This one, so I just don't like the momentum yet. But right now we're in the London session, so we probably gonna see volume. Volume. We want to see volume now. Can you give us a lot of volume to push further down here? So it's nice to take sells below. Okay, it's nice to take sells below this. We're gonna wait on that. Below this. All right, for the buys, I don't know. We need to tap this zone for buying up. We need to tap this zone for buying up. All right, we're pushing down here. We're pushing down the same yesterday. We still have 23 minutes for candle to close. We have a lot of volume here, gang. Oh, volume. I don't want to take an impulse trade right here. The stops is 48 pips. So basically we need to wait for candle to close. We need to wait for candle to close here now. It's been a while, coach, but now no problem, man. No problem. We are pushing down. We are pushing down here, gang. Who's taking sell right here? Who's taking the sell on the impulse sell here? This really clean on the 30, but the problem, the stops here is big, 55 pip stops. And we have massive range going down. It's a clean range. Clean. 6 minutes for candle to close. 1 hour, 4 hour flip. Wow. Yeah, we have, once you re-break this on the 1 and the 15 is closed there. Yeah, we have some probably potential, sir. Potential sells here. 6 minutes. We just need to wait for a hovering here in the 15. Once this 15 candle close, we're gonna give it a shot here. Right? This candle close. We just need to wait for the top wick, re-break the low, and then that's the trade going down. That's the trade going down there. Don't push. Five minutes for candle to close. 5 minutes. Gang, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel, alright? Like the stream, subs to the channel. 4 minutes for candle to close. Can you hover here right now? Can we hover? Ooh, ooh. Damn. Damn, gold. The gold is melting again, chat. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do now? Re-break. Struggle. The 4 hour is retesting this low. Crazy volume yesterday night. The price pushing up. Three minutes for candle to close. 3 minutes. So if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Wednesday. No news. Nice. So we don't have news tonight. Don't have news. Thursday. Unemployment claim. Friday. No. Cool. Cool. Coach, if it's close in size, that potential not yet, bro. We need if this candle respect the support, didn't close there below, you need to wait for a candle to close bullish. You need for you to take buy here. This is the one. Because right now we're heading to the downside. You cannot take buy here right now. You're gonna be clap here. Even though this candle respect didn't close below the range. No buys. You need to wait for candle to close bullish, support form, and then take buy. That's my probability. But right now we cannot. We're moving down. All right, 1 minute here, gang. Lock in. Some potential shenanigans sells. Potential sells. 28 seconds here. Closing below the range. Really nice. Really, really nice. We just need to wait for the top wick and sell limit. Top wick. Top wick. Okay, nice. I'm gonna put sell limit on the rebreak of the previous candle low here. Okay. Sell limit. Previous candle low. It's gonna be there. So once you re-break the lows there, you will see move. You will see pops. You see pops towards to the downside. Probably stops. I'm gonna keep like up above this range. 30 pip stops, 33 pip stops. So yeah. Sell limit, sell stop, all right? Not execution, sell right now. No. It's sell limit, sell stop. What's up, John? How you doing? How you doing? Can you re-break the low now? All right, we're re-breaking the low. Can you re-break and pops further down here? All right, I'm activated on cells here, chat. Got some cells here. On the re-break of the low, I'm gonna put my stops probably up here, 36 pip stops. Once you re-break and go up again, chat, I'm gonna probably manage the trade. But if not, it's gonna be good here. It's gonna be dubs here today. So yeah, let's see. Got some cells there. Got some cells. Probably partials around this area. Yeah. Around these levels, 33, 6. All right, chat. I'm closing half of the position here, chat, and moving stops to break even as we plan, and let it run towards to the downside here, gang. Ooh, volume, gang, volume. I like this. I like this already, chat. Can we move further down here? There's really clean traffic going down, so I move my stops to break even and close some partials. If you guys can manage the trade, that would be nice. Volume, volume. Five minutes about to close. 5 minutes candle is about to close. Expecting top wick. Probably gonna hit the BE and move down. So let's see. I close partial at 12 or 13, I believe. Yeah, 13 pips. I close at 13 pips. W trade, gang. W trade. W is in the chat. Gonna see some re-break the low there. You'll see move. Can we re-break the low and move? Can we re-break the lows there and pops down? Pop, 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 pump her up. On the 5. Can we re-break the 5? All right, re-break the 5. Nice. Can we pops? Can we puff more? If you got the trades, gang, drop some W's in the chat, bro. Drop some dubs. Drop the W's in the chat. If you got that trade. If you got the same sell too. No problem. W, bro. W10. W10. W$10. So we pick 17 pips here, chat. We pick 17 pips. I see 17 pips here. So let's see if we're gonna have some runners today. I'm still on break even here. I'm on break even here, gang. I want to see pops down. The 5 is starting to hover here. Can we melt now? Can we melt? Can you push down now, gold? Can we push down? I want to see more volume here. I want to see more. At least here. At least this area. We top 3363 there. We have a runner, man. A runner. If the 15 close, no bottom wick, I probably gonna close full. If not, it will run towards at least 3363 here. Or 3365. That was the next partial there. If this 5-minute candle flip up, yeah, it will probably hit the BE. If this 5 minutes candle flip bullish. If not, we're gonna wait for the top wick on the 15 and we'll move down here. Oh, that's the one. That's the melt. Nice. Probably close full right here, chat. 22 pips. W's in the chat, gang. W's in the chat. 22 pips. Holy cow. Close full at 22 pips. W's in the chat. Nice trade. Pretty nice trade. 22 pips. W. Almost 1%. Nice. Almost 1%. Was that 15, right? 15, yeah, 15. And previous candle low, breakout, sell, gold, London session 12:15 p.m. And what's that? 8/6/2025. 22 pips. Ooh, still melting. Sells plus 22 pips. 67 wins now. Very nice. 336 profit. Oh my god, brother. That's nice, man. W, bro. W. Drop some W's in the chat, gang. If you got the trade, drop some W's in the chat. I'm just gonna make some stories today. Let's go. Drop some W's. Spam some W's in the chat. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. W, man. Spam some W's in the chat. Everybody. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Spam some dubs. Let's go, gang. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. Chat, spam some W's in the. Can I re-entry again? No. Don't re-enter a trade. Don't enter. Relax, bro. You got the trade $336 already, bro. Relax, man. Yeah, drop some W's in the chat. Let's go. Drop some W's in the chat. Yeah, if you got Coach Emile, just okay, how many pips have you got? I got 22 pips. Yeah, I don't know. Some of them got more. So, yeah. That's a good trade. Good breakout here. Clean range going down. So we need to take that trade. I know that volume will come here, right? Volume will come. So I don't have any trades yesterday. As you can see, no trades yesterday, right? And yeah, got 900 today. 900 profit today, gang. 900 bands there. So I'm gonna take that. Take that. Pretty good. W, nice trade, yeah. Coach, 900 USD for 22 pips. Yes, gang. 900 USD for 22 pips. That's how I trade. You don't need you don't need to have like a big small or big. It doesn't matter, bro. Celebrate your small win. Congratulations, magpay. I'm not drinking, man. Yeah, I'm not drinking. Celebrate your small wins. Yeah, I'm always celebrating at the gym, bro. I always celebrating at the gym. Focus on the skill. Yeah, doesn't matter how big or small your capital. It's all about the skills. How you gonna build your skills? It's all about patience, routine, right? You need to build that. It's not how many trades you're gonna take today. No. Sometimes I'm not taking any trades because there's no probability for me. There's no setup showing up, right? So keep in mind that you need to understand that if you have a gun, right? If you have a gun and one bullet a day, take that bullet in one shot, the best trades that possible, the next best trades possible, and then the market will always reward you there. So yeah, man, just keep locked in every single day. Show up every single day, whatever it takes. Show up, win or lose. Show up every single day. Mine's very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. W W Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. How much I pick here? Oh, 35 pips. 30 pips. Cool. Mm-mm-mm. Very, very, very nice. Now, what you gonna do, chat? What you gonna do? You gonna overtrade? What time are you using? I use 15 and 30 minutes time frame. 15 and 30. 15 close. Cool. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat. Mm-hmm. Chat. So I'm gonna call it the stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys for hopping to the live stream. If you guys gonna trade later on tonight, we don't have any news. So yeah, if you got some dubs already, protect your capital. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? So yeah, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace, peace, peace. I'm out here, gang. W's in the chat. W's all the way up. Peace. I'm out. See you guys tomorrow.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible.